Hello everybody, this is Sarah from Sarah Strings and Things, and if you have clicked on this video, chances are you are having trouble getting this string onto this hook. And I have been crocheting for over 22 years, and so believe me when I say that I have found the best way to make this happen without getting your fingers all tangled. All right, so I am using a 4-ply worsted weight yarn and a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. Oh, there you go. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to have our hook in our right hand, okay? And we're going to be holding it with our forefinger and our thumb right in the middle, right about there. And the yarn is going to go in between our index and our middle finger right here. And this is just for the tension. You're going to hold it but not too tight. We have to be able to get it through, but not too loose. You don't want it to come through all the way. So this is how I hold my tension at least, okay? And so got it all set up, got our tail end right here. You're going to take your hook and you're just going to go underneath, okay? And we're going to be concentrating on this area right here next to the hook, okay? And if you do know how to do the chain stitch, all you do is chain 2 times. And so if you don't know, we're going to face our hook the correct way and concentrating on this area right here, right next to the hook, this little twist. I'm going to hold this right up there, right up in there, okay? And then you're going to yarn over again, still holding on to that. Don't let it go. You're going to pull through just like that, okay? Now we're going to keep a hold of this tail right here and you're just going to, and look at that. And now we got a twist on there and we still haven't let go. So now we have a twist on there, right? And so now we're going to yarn over again and we're going to pull through that little loop that we made. And if you slowly let it go, look at that. Look what we did. There's a little knot right there. Isn't that awesome? And then from there you can keep going and do whatever you need to do. And if you want to see that again, I will do it one more time. Okay, so here's our tail end, right? We're gonna put the yarn around our finger. This end's going to the skein. Here's our tail. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna take the hook and we're gonna go around. Okay, we're just gonna chain 1 again. We got the hook on our yarn right here. I'm holding this and I'm just going to hold that kind of tight right there so I don't lose this crisscross right there. I'm going to yarn over, we're going around the back of it again and we're pulling it through. Okay, and we're not done yet. That was just the first one. That's what makes our twist. Now we're going to hold that twist and we're going to yarn over and we're going to pull through right there. And then that made our knot. And it really is as easy as that. It's just, you just chain twice. 1, 2. You want to watch me do it fast? Watch. 1, 2. Knot. And that is the easiest way over the years I have come to do that. I don't have to sit here and wrap it around all my fingers some weird which way. I don't have to do that. All I have to do is just chain twice. Get my hook on my yarn, and then you chain 1, but don't let go all the way. Get up right up in there and chain 2. Boom. It's literally as easy as that. I really hope that this helped you. This is just the way that I have come up with over the years that has helped me the fastest. This is the fastest way I get my yarn on the hook. And yeah, if you're a beginner or whether or not you're kind of seasoned at this, I hope that this helped you. I plan on doing an extreme beginner playlist here on YouTube where I show you little tips and tricks like this on how to get this on there, just ways that I have learned to make crocheting just a lot easier because no one wants to sit here and struggle with the yarn. So thanks for watching and I will see you guys next time. Bye.